Okay, I just bought myself a brand new Garrett Groundhog from Gonna Do shop. And guess what? Out in the middle of nowhere. It's out bush somewhere. And heaps of quartz around this joint. And the dog let me to this thing right here. Bloody Garrett, it's awesome. Batteries are good. It's going off. Yeah, that's gold for sure. Look at it. Big ass nugget. Well, specimen anyway. Not as big as old mate. But wait, focus. It's a start. Not bad. Hey. What's this, more gold? Oh, there is too. Far out. Awesome. Excellent. Good day. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. See you later. Thanks Garrett.